I'm in hospitality. Difference, you're the middleman between me and the customer. But we both in hospitality. You're the middle person. Okay, so you're the most important. And you connected me with the customer. And your customer, after drinking his coffee, is going to go to my boutique and bring me more money. So you're important to me. Let's do it this way. Yeah. You drink it?
Not.
Why?
I just want to ask, sir, if the coffee bean is Arabica or Robusta?
It's mixed. It depends.
Mixed.
Okay.
All right, I see.
Arabica and Robusta. Robusta, it's the cheapest kind of coffee. The difference between Arabica and Robusta, Arabica, it's like
It's
grows,
lighter.
the trees, it has to be in the highest.
Yes,
okay?
yes.
In the highest places. Robusta is the
Strong
solid
one.
coffee. It will add like the acid, the
It's
cream
more
you see.
acid.
You see the cream?
Yeah.
That's from the Robusta. Okay?
Oh.
The Robusta, it's like the rubbish. Okay? But it's always good to mix it. Yani. But the percentage has to be like 6 in 1. In each 6 kg of us, we put 1 kg of Robusta in some blends. Okay? We have some pure Arabic. We have something now we call an Nespresso master average. All our coffee, it comes from one farm. We don't mix.
Brazil?
This
Which,
country, the cheapest coffee in the world made in Brazil. Brazil, it's famous with coffee
yes.
of quantity, not quality. They have quantity of coffee, but not quality of coffee. Because it's like commercial, the coffee in Brazil. And they like abusing the land. Nespresso land, Nespresso farms, we farm 1 year, we stop 1 year. And we have something we call the fair trade. If the coffee beans in the world, the 1 kg worth $1, we pay our farmer $3. Okay? And the money we revenue from this, we build schools, hospitals in those like villages. Okay, so it's people who really lives nice and they have a very good life. So when they farm the land, they farm it with love and passion. Okay, to deliver your best coffee.
Yes.
Read about Nespresso, you love us.
Of course I will, sir.
Yeah, who's gonna step in? Yeah, make drink. Come on.
Practice.
We need longo.
Nice.
Longo. Americano, longo.
The dark one, I think. You check it.
We check the name.
You're not gonna find this later because we're gonna stick with 2 blends of coffee. You see this one? It works for everything. That's for every drink. You lost the capsule. You lost the capsule. There is no coffee inside now. You see? Only water. Why? Because you lift it and you lift it. You drop your capsule and it goes right away. It has nothing to do with your cup. It's 2 different transactions, you know? Where's your capsule? It's still in here. Because we didn't use it. Yeah, go ahead. Close it. Close it first. There is no coffee will come out until you give an order. You don't have to worry about the cup. You're not giving an order to the machine. Putting the coffee and closing the lever, it's one transaction. Starting the operation, giving the order, it's a different transaction. So you don't have to worry. There's cups. No coffee will come out until you give an order. Go ahead. Well, we need, hold on, wait. What we need to drink?
Americano.
Yes, we said longo or Americano, whatever. Go ahead, yeah. Right? Coffee? How many ml?
6 ounce.
100. Okay? So I'm not gonna put small cup and expecting this coffee to come out to be flooded, okay? So I always need to make some sense. I'm not gonna make longo in this cup. True? It's not gonna work. You see how beautiful this coffee? Even if you make we could make more. Okay? How we make more? Either you use it again, it's still gonna work. Okay? This is for a big cup of Americanos like this. We don't prefer this. We don't suggest this. Okay? Because it's gonna be light. Or you top it up with little bit. This machine, if you press long in any button, it will lose control and it will lose programming and cup measurement. Okay? You're gonna ruin the machine. This machine work in touch. One touch. You wanna stop the machine? You can stop it anytime. But easy. Okay? Don't press. Don't hold. Pressing and holding ruin the machine. And later on, when the pan is open, okay, we need 1 week for Gate Pass to come inside and fix the machine. It's not gonna be easy like today. I'm coming, he's bringing me, and I'm coming. There is no one can come easy. Okay.
Yes.
We have machine. It took us like a week to get past and yeah, difficult. Next.
For all the supplies and all to come in once the palace is open.